Happy New Year and welcome to our very first Talent Tuesday of 2025. I hope everyone had a great holiday season and are ready for a new year filled with hope, happiness, and of course, art. And so with hope for the future, here is a little preview of what is to come. Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. My good friend Michelle of Royal River Art sent me this gorgeous color after we saw Callie's in the kitchen using it, and it's by Just Resin called I want to call it asparagus, but it's not. It's pistachio. And look at that. It's this glorious green gold color. So I can't wait to play. And I'm gonna scrape a bunch of this off because I don't need much of that at all. I've mixed up a total of, trying to just basically get it all off. I mixed up a total of 4 ounces of resin. I let it get to 90 degrees. And then I decanted 20 grams and 20 grams. In using the Just Resin paste for the first time, I discovered that this particular one is not as pigmented as other pastes that I have used. So I would highly recommend, if you're using a paste for the first time, that you do as I did and assume that it's going to be extremely highly pigmented and just add it in, because you can always add more, but you can't take it out. All right, so I thought I would drop in some of this Artfinity primary yellow into the middle. See how that spreads. And now let's mix up my white paste here. So this is Julie's Bloom paste. 20 grams, 2 drops, 1 drop per 10. For these 2 coasters, I thought I would try doing the infinity and oval pours, or I guess design, that I've seen other artists like Julie Cutts and Callie's in the Kitchen do, and see how they turn out. I can't wait to see what my dear friend Marie-Louise has come up with for Talent Tuesday, and she preceded me, of course. But if you haven't seen her, please go and check her out. I can't even begin to express how awesome this collaboration has been with Marie-Louise, and I cannot wait to see what 2025 brings to both of us in terms of our art journeys and our inspirations, and of course our experimentation / alchemy. I am just ever so grateful for our friendship, our laughter, our craziness, and how this art journey has inspired us to push each other to new heights. So stay tuned for more craziness in 2025 and the expansion of ideas and creativity. And we hope that through this journey of collaborations, as well as through our Talent Tuesday, that we inspire you on your art journey. And of course, if something we have done has inspired you, please make sure you tag us so that we can see. All right, back to the regularly scheduled program. As you can see in the one on the left, I'm now doing infinities inside the ovals. And I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm just kind of winging it. And the one on the right is all infinities, and I'm putting the green kind of underneath or above the other infinities. I didn't want to put it on them if I could avoid it. But stay tuned and we'll see which one of these came out better. It's now time to deblob. And by deblobbing, what I mean is that anytime you start and end, a piping session, I'll call it, you're doubling up on the amount of pigment paste that you're dropping. And because of that, it makes it extremely heavy. So you want to spread that pigment out by deblobbing. And you'll see me dragging my silicone tool through those center areas where the pigment paste has crossed over itself or where I've started and stopped. So I just wanted to give you a full explanation on that as to why I'm doing this and why it's important to do it. And now we wait and we pray to those resin gods. And coming up is a progression of how these are curing and how that resin moves. So I hope you enjoy this progression until we get to the final reveal. We're back and it's cured, and I put a light, in terms of transparency, color on the background. I actually used Amsterdam Greenish blue and mixed it in with the resin. And I was kind of hoping it would be a tad darker, so I'm not sure how this is going to look, but hopefully it looks okay. That's that one. And this one. So remember, they're slightly different from each other. Let's undo this one first. Oh, well, now that's a cool effect. I like it. And that blue works really well with it. I love that. So this is the one that I did the ovals, and then I did the 8s inside most of the ovals, just not that last layer. And then I put those green little sticks in there. My center's so cute. Oh, it's adorable. I actually really, really love that. And my yellow, perfecto. All right, let's look at this one. Oh, not as good. Not as good. Still kind of cute, but the center's a little messy. That green there. And this is the one where I did all 8s. I think. I wonder if I put the 8s on top of each other, how that would look, or just slightly down from each other, but almost overlapping, how that would look. So that might be something that I try next time. But this one here is my favorite. It's so fun to experiment with these. It's really, really cool. So I think this one, I don't know that this one would be anyone's favorite. I think it's cool. But I think this one here is the winner on this set. If for some reason you like this one, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscription button, give me a thumbs up. I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.